stop.
All right, guys. What's going on? Welcome back to another live. Let's get started. You guys know what it is. I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys exactly how I make money daily. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be entering some trades on Bitcoin. And you guys know that I usually trade gold, Bitcoin, and NASDAQ, but obviously some of the other markets are closed right now. So let's go ahead and see what's going on in the Bitcoin chart. Now, we can see right here, so this is the cryptocurrency range bars. We can see that we started this downtrend. Obviously, I missed the initial part of it, but if we do get a pullback, which means that, because we've already started this downtrend, we're going to see a little bit of a reversal just for the market to come back up a little and potentially give me a chance at getting in on the short position. Now, the reason I would be definitely looking into the short position is because the PSAR dots are showing that we're starting this downtrend, or we're already in this downtrend. So I would, you guys know that I never trade I never trade with the trend. So I never say, okay, for example, we're going up, I'm going to enter a buy. What I'm doing is I'm waiting for the reversal always. And guys, there we go. We can see that we're getting this pullback. So that's the little bit of a reversal that I'm going to be waiting for. And let's see, if we move just a little bit higher, I'm going to be entering a nice short position here. And let's see, I'm going to set my lot size to uh, 5 lot size, because you guys know I trade with 5 lot size right here. Now let's go right here. There we go. All right. So what we're waiting for is a little bit of a pullback here. As soon as we get that, I'm going to enter a short position. There we go. So we're getting that pullback. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to enter the trade. Now let's look at the range bar so you guys understand why I'm doing it. We were in this uptrend. We got the reversal right here. I missed the initial downwards move, but there we go. We're getting that pullback. It's actually a perfect move. So there we go. We're in this pullback, and I'm going to go ahead and enter a sell trade, so a short position. And there we go. So now I've entered it, and I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit right away. Now you guys can see right here on Abato, what you got to do is, you click and drag your entry, and I'm going to set my stop loss at around $500, which is 100 points in this case. There we go. And I'm going to let go. I'm going to click and drag my entry down because we're in a short position. Remember, take profit will be below our entry. And there we go. So $500. So there we go. So I've set my stop loss. I've set my take profit on this short position. And now we're just going to let it ride out, and we're going to see what happens. And you guys know that I've set my stop loss and take profit at 1-to-1 ratio. Now, what does 1-to-1 ratio even mean? So you guys can see that right here where I entered. So this is my stop loss and this is my take profit. They're equal distance apart from my entry. And the reason for that is because, as we can see even right now, the market doesn't just go straight up or down. It goes in waves. So what happens if I set my stop loss too tight is that if the market moves against me just a little bit, it's going to kick me out of the trade. And the worst thing to happen is if you're in a potentially profitable trade, but and you got a perfect entry, everything is great, but you set your stop loss too tight and it kicked you out of the trade. And I've seen this happen more than enough times, and actually it's happened to me a lot of times as well. And that's why, when I was practicing the strategy and I was testing the strategies, this is what I found to actually work majority of the time, is giving the trade enough room to move. Because remember, we're not just trading you know without any analysis or without any reason for entering the trade. We're looking at the range bars. We're seeing when the reversal is happening. And once the reversal is happening, that's when we're entering. So because we're doing that, we need to follow a strict strategy. And I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what I do and how I do it on this live. So guys, welcome to everybody who's just joining. I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys exactly how I make money daily. Guys, I make more than enough money every single day that I don't need to work a job. And I know that a lot of you guys want to be in that position. Now, the main thing that I'm going to say is don't waste time, because there's money to be made every single day.